Welcome to Element Living Investments, where we explore real estate investments, land development, and property management. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem unlikely: how to prepare your properties for heavy snow in Southeast Georgia, Florida, and South Carolina. While snow is rare in this region, it's essential to be prepared. Let's explore what to do before, during, and after a snow event to protect your real estate investments. Let's start by looking at the history of snow in Southeast Georgia, Florida, and South Carolina. Though the region is known for its warm climate, there have been notable snow events. In January 2018, a rare snowstorm hit coastal Georgia and northern Florida. Savannah, Georgia, recorded around 1.2 inches of snow, and Tallahassee, Florida, saw snow for the first time in nearly 30 years. The cold snap disrupted travel and infrastructure, proving that snow, while rare, can significantly impact the region. The last time snow fell before that was in 1989, when a severe cold front brought snow across North Florida and South Georgia. Given these rare but impactful events, it's crucial to understand how to prepare. One of the biggest challenges for snow in this area is that the infrastructure isn't built to handle it. The roadways, bridges, and buildings in Southeast Georgia and Florida aren't designed for snow or ice. Local governments don't typically invest in snowplows or salt trucks since these events are so rare. Additionally, homes and commercial buildings in this area may not have insulated pipes or roofs designed to support snow loads. This lack of preparation can lead to damage during rare snow events, making it even more important to take preventative measures for your properties. So how can you prepare your real estate investments for heavy snow? Let's break it down into 3 parts: before, during, and after the snow. Before snow. 1. Insulate pipes. Frozen pipes are a major concern during snow events. Ensure all exposed pipes, especially in crawl spaces, attics, and basements, are insulated to prevent freezing. 2. Roof inspections. Ensure your roofs are in good condition and capable of supporting additional weight, such as wet snow. Flat roofs should be cleared of debris to allow for drainage. 3. Install weather stripping. Properly seal doors and windows to prevent drafts and maintain indoor warmth. This is crucial for homes not typically prepared for freezing temperatures. 4. Prepare emergency kits. Stock properties with emergency kits, including salt or sand for walkways, blankets, flashlights, and battery-powered radios. 5. Check insurance coverage. Review your property insurance policy to make sure you're covered for any snow-related damages, such as roof collapses or burst pipes. When snow hits, the goal is to minimize damage and keep occupants safe. Here's what to do. 1. Monitor indoor temperatures. Ensure the property stays heated above 55 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent pipes from freezing. If the heating system fails, use alternative heating sources like space heaters, but make sure they are used safely. 2. Clear walkways. If possible, use salt, sand, or a snow shovel to keep walkways clear of snow and ice to avoid slips and falls. 3. Check for ice dams. If snow accumulates on roofs, ice dams can form and cause water damage. Clear gutters and downspouts to prevent this issue. 4. Stay informed. Keep an eye on weather updates and advisories to know how long the snow will last and what resources might be available from local authorities. Once the snow has stopped, it's time to assess the property for any damage. 1. Inspect the roof. After the snow melts, check the roof for leaks or structural damage. Pay close attention to any sagging areas that could indicate a compromised structure. 2. Check the plumbing. Ensure all water pipes are functioning properly and not frozen or burst. If you suspect a frozen pipe, leave the faucet slightly open and apply heat using a space heater or hairdryer. 3. Clear excess snow. If heavy snow has accumulated, consider hiring a professional to remove it from rooftops to prevent any long-term damage. 4. Document any damage. Take photos and videos of any damage for insurance purposes and begin any necessary repairs. For those managing real estate investments, it's always helpful to be proactive. Here are some resources that can help. NOAA Weather Updates. Stay informed about potential weather events in your area. Visit www.weather.gov. FEMA's Snowstorm Safety Guidelines. For a full breakdown of what to do during a snowstorm, FEMA's guidelines are a great resource. Check out www.fema.gov/snowstorm-prep. Insurance claim assistance. In case of property damage, contact your insurance provider to help with the claims process. Although snow is rare in southeast Georgia and Florida, it's important to prepare for the unexpected. By taking these steps, you can protect your real estate investments from potential damage and ensure the safety of your tenants and properties. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow property managers and investors. Stay tuned for more tips on real estate investments and property management.